So let's construct production possibilities curve for Jamie, who could make 4 pizzas per hour or make 2 socks per hour, and he's going to work 8 hours a day. So go ahead and draw your production possibilities curve. Okay, so we find if Jamie spends all of his time making pizzas, he can make 32. That's taking all 8 hours times 4 pizzas per hour. And if he spends all of his time making socks, he can make 16. So we've got the production possibilities curve shown as line segment A to B, and the slope is -2, and -2 actually is the opportunity cost of socks. So that is, if Jamie wants to make one more sock, he needs to give up 2 pizzas, and if we want the opportunity cost of pizzas, we take the inverse of that, so that would be -1/2, and there you've got your production possibilities frontier. So let's look at the opportunity cost of production for Jamie and Mel. They can produce pizzas and socks, so you've got their rates per hour of production. So go ahead and calculate the opportunity cost of pizzas and the opportunity cost of socks for Jamie and Mel. The opportunity cost of pizzas, we're going to divide the number of socks produced in an hour by the number of pizzas. So this ends up being 2 socks divided by 4 pizzas. So this equals 1/2 of a sock per pizza is the opportunity cost, or in other words, what you're giving up. So if we do the same for Mel, it's going to be 3 socks divided by 2 pizzas. And so what you're giving up then is 3/2 of a sock for each pizza. So now let's look at the opportunity cost of socks. So now we're going to take the pizzas, so it's going to be 4 pizzas per hour divided by 2 socks. So this is going to equal 2 pizzas per sock. And for Mel, it's going to be 2 pizzas divided by the 3 socks per hour. So this would be 2/3 of a pizza per sock. And that calculates the opportunity cost for each. Now, let's look at this and show who has the absolute advantage and who has the comparative. So the absolute advantage is who can produce more in a given hour. So we find out that Jamie has the absolute advantage in pizzas and Mel has the absolute advantage in socks. The comparative advantage is who can produce it at the lowest opportunity cost. So what we find is Jamie's opportunity cost is lowest at 1/2 for pizzas, and Mel's opportunity cost is lowest at 2/3 for socks.